Ask me
That
about
was a good point.
windshield repair.
How do I, if I get a crack in my window, how do I get that? How much is that to get repaired?
Well, it's going to be $75 to $100 for most people, but not for you because you're buying a Motor Trend certified vehicle. Windshield repair comes with the vehicle complimentary for the first 6 months. Should you get a crack or a star in the windshield no longer than 2 inches, we will fix that at no cost to you. Okay, it'll keep your windshield looking better, save you some money because you're not going to have to pay for it, and could increase your resale value. Now, there is an exception. If the crack or star occurs in the driver's line of sight, by the laws in the state of Kentucky, that cannot be repaired. Your insurance company will need to replace that windshield. Okay, but if the crack's on the passenger side, no problem. We'll fix an unlimited number of cracks or stars. Cool?
Cool.
All right. Ask me about roadside assistance.
Okay. What if I break down on the side of the road?
Mariah, we're going to provide you 24/7 roadside assistance for the first 6 months of your ownership. Okay? Run out of gas, we'll have someone bring gas to you. Need a flat tire changed, we'll have them come out and change the flat tire for you. Lock yourself out of the vehicle, we'll have someone come and unlock the vehicle. Need a tow, need a jump, we will have someone do those things for you. Again, complimentary for the first 6 months. The finance department will show you how to extend those coverages.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I need this one.